Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica Flynn and I am the owner and maker of Flynn Sisters Boutique. And welcome to day 2 of our 7 Days of Christmas series here on the Flynn Sisters Boutique channel. Today we're going to be doing these cute round wood ornaments with all of Santa's reindeer's names on them. I got the inspiration for this project through the Etsy listing where I found these this cute hand lettered design. I love how she styled these in her mock-up for the hand lettered file listing. So I'm gonna link the listing for that down below if you guys want to use the same file that I used on this project. Also, the little round wood ornaments we just found on Amazon. So really, you guys can order all this stuff from home and get this project done super quick. It's super easy, and I thought it turned out so cute. So that's enough chit chat for me. Let's go ahead and get started. Guys, so this is a super simple project we're going to get done in 3 easy steps. We're going to start by spray painting our wood ornaments with a matte black spray paint. You can of course use any color you want if you wanted to paint some white and some black or whatever. I just think matte spray paint on this particular project is ideal. All right, and so to make this a little easier on myself, I'm just going to use a little bit of painter's tape and I'm going to tape these onto a piece of cardboard. And then I'm going to take them outside in a well-ventilated area and I'm going to spray paint them. This flat black spray paint should only really require 1 or 2 coats at the most. I want to say I did 2 coats for the front, and then once that dried, I flipped them over and did 1 coat on the back, and 1 coat was plenty of coverage for the back side of these. They dry pretty fast, especially if you keep them in a warm environment to dry. And as soon as they're dry, we're ready to go on to the next step. Also, if you'd rather hand paint these with like chalk paint or something, you definitely could. I just felt like this was super fast and super easy. All right, and so now we're ready to cut and apply our decals. When you purchase this particular file, they're all going to upload at once into Cricut Design Space as all one file, and then you will ungroup them, and you want to size them all at 2.6 inches wide. This cut file was designed to be applied to like round ornaments and stuff, so they're just a little bit bigger than you want for these particular ornaments if you are using the same ones that I am. For this project, I'm using matte permanent adhesive vinyl that I got from thevinylpeople.com. I will have a link and a discount code down below and where you can find them. I liked using the matte vinyl for this project because I think it just kind of blends in better to what we're doing rather than a glossy vinyl. For Rudolph though, I wanted to do his name in red, and I only had red glossy vinyl for that color. And so you're just going to cut these and weed them as you normally would. This file is so easy to work with. It was so easy to weed. And once I get them all weeded, I'm going to cut them into their own individual squares and transfer them like I normally would. I'm of course going to use my favorite transfer tape. So I'm just going to get about a 4x4 inch piece of the transfer tape here, and I'm going to apply it to my decal. I'm using my little scraper tool that comes with the transfer tape that I like to use, and then you just roll off this paper backing carefully to make sure that everything transfers nice and easily when you're ready to go. For these, it's easier for me to just kind of eyeball it, and this particular file is really easy to fit onto this circle because it's already shaped like a circle. And so I just kind of eyeball it and slap it on there. Make sure you have it pressed down really firmly with your scraper. And you guys, I use this same little sheet of transfer tape for the whole project. So all 9 ornaments only took this one piece of transfer tape. So you can easily see why this is definitely my favorite transfer tape, and you guys all for sure have a link below if you want to pick some up for yourself. So we just repeat that same process for all of them. Super easy. I got this done in about 10 minutes. Okay, and to finish these up, we're gonna add our little foliage details and twine. This ornament set comes with the twine already cut into the lengths that you want, which is super helpful. And I just kind of strung it through those 2 holes on the top there, and then put both of them through the big hole at the top like so. I thought that looked kind of cool. I don't know, you could do it however you want. And definitely learned my lesson that you want to put your string on first before you glue your little leaves and such to the top there, because otherwise it's really hard to string your string through. So once I got my string on there, I have all these little like fake holiday foliage things that I got at Hobby Lobby. And I just kind of took them apart with some wire cutters and hot glued them on in a cute little arrangement. I used a different one for Rudolph than I used on the rest of the others. The rest of the others, I just used some sprigs from a wreath that I had. It's like a, I don't know, like plastic frosted fern kind of wreath. So I just kind of cut a couple of sprigs off of that wreath, and that's what I used for the rest of them. And I think these turned out so precious. I just absolutely love this little set, and I think it would be fun to gift this as a whole set, or maybe you just do one dedicated tree or something, or maybe you just add it to your farmhouse style tree, whatever you want to do. But I just love this. It was so easy to do, a fun project that you can knock out in a couple hours in the afternoon, and I just love it. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Join us tomorrow. We're going to be doing a holiday themed tumbler tutorial, and we will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching, and happy holidays. If you love this video, you could check out our last video here. Also be sure to find us on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and of course subscribe for all our new videos that come out every Wednesday and Saturday. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon.